IniNote gives you an improved note-taking experience on your Udemy courses. You can take screenshots, read your notes outside Udemy, and even convert text on the screen to actual text so you can edit it. If you have IniNote installed and you are watching a Udemy lecture, just press the IniNote button in the top right corner. The video stops and a sidebar appears with a screenshot of the video at that moment. At the top you can type in a note. If you don't want to save the screenshot, you can delete it with the Delete Screenshot button and just save the note. If you click on the image, you can draw arrows or write some extra text on it with the editor. When you are done, click on the check mark in the top right corner to save your changes. You can also crop the image by clicking on the crop link. If you want to, you can click on the OCR button to convert the image to text and it gets added to the text in your note. Additionally, you can also include notes in computer languages by clicking on the code icon. Here you can select what programming language you want to use. When you are done with your comment, just click on the Add button and your note gets saved. If you want to review your notes, just open the Note Adding tool by clicking on the IniNote button and then click on the Show Notes button. Here you can see and review your notes about the current course. If you click on the green links, you can jump to the exact location of those notes in the course. You can edit existing notes by clicking on the edit icon next to them. And you can delete them by clicking on the delete icon. If you want to look at your notes outside Udemy, just open the sidebar and click on the IniNote logo. You go to the IniNote.com website. You can also get here by typing in IniNote.com and then clicking on the Notes Viewer link. Now select the course you want to see your comments for and you will see your notes in full. If you click on the green links, it will take you to the exact moment of your note in the course. And you can print your notes if you click on the Print button. That's all. With these functions, you can boost your understanding and retention of the course materials on Udemy. Have fun!